In a recent video over on my The Weekly Spark channel, where I talk about all the latest news regarding Kindles, iPads, e-ink, and all sorts of related tech, I mentioned in that video that Amazon had released the latest software for your Kindle Scribe 5.19.2. However, a lot of you have contacted me and said you can't see that software update on your Kindle Scribe. It's still showing the previous software update, and it says it's all up to date. And that is a quite common thing about Amazon, in that they do very slow staggered rollout of software updates. However, the good news is you can manually do it yourself. So in this very short video, I'm going to show you how. Okay, the first thing you're going to need to do is find a Mac or a PC, because unfortunately quite a while back, this thing, the iPad, stopped supporting the protocol that meant you could take files from here to there and vice versa. So you will need to find yourself a Mac or a PC, and then just go to the search bar and type Kindle Scribe Update. Just do a quick search, and then somewhere on this page, oh look, it's me, you'll find this latest software updates. Go down, have a look for your particular Scribe or Kindle or whatever, because it's got all the software for all latest software for all the Kindle devices. Mine is the 2024 release. There you go, 5.19.2, and then just download software update. Okay, now I've already downloaded it. So then what you'll need to do is get yourself USB-C cable that carries data. Plug that into your Kindle. I'll just put my password in here, and then this should automatically appear connected to computer. And then you'll need to download, if you haven't already, you'll need to download the Send to Kindle app, which will then prompt you to download the USB file manager. Here we go, USB file manager right here. And sorry, I'm terrible trying to record it one-handed. There you go. And then down here is the file 5.19.2. You don't need to do anything to it, just drag that into the file manager here, and then it'll say copying update. All right, there you go. You can see it's now transferred that file onto the USB file manager, and then tap disconnect. Go to settings. Okay, and then we go into software updates here, and it will say update your Kindle, new software version is available. It will take a few minutes, so we'll tap update there, and then we just wait. Okay, so it's finally restarted. I've swiped down from the top, and I'm going to go into settings, and then hopefully if I go into device options, software update 5.19.2. Now, for those of you who are over in the US, you may get a send to Alexa. I won't say it too loud because she'll respond to me in the room. You may get send to Alexa Plus, which enables you to send your notes and things to Alexa Plus, and you'll get loads of cool stuff happening. I'll talk about that more in the Weekly Spark video, which I will link in the description box below. But I think over in the UK, we still will get a new connections option. Let's have a look. Let's tap the what's new in this version. Performance improvements, bug fixes, and other general enhancements. Right, so that's how you upgrade your software. However, it doesn't appear over in the UK we have been given any of the options of connecting to Google and things like that. Let me just check storage management, just never know, it might be in there. Nope, it's not. It should appear in this settings somewhere in here under connections. So there you go, that's how you forcibly update your Scribe to the latest software. If you're in the US, you're going to have all the bells and whistles. If in the UK, however, it's just a general improvement until they turn these things on server side, I reckon. Anyway, I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, please do like, subscribe, and hype. That'd be really cool. And tap that notification bell so you don't miss the next video that I release. Okay, here is a link, hopefully, to the Weekly Spark video. And like I say, it'll also be in the description. I'll see you in the next one.